Hi and hello to everyone. Today we want to do a presentation for the subject Geodesy 2 about the Global Positioning System Survey for horizontal control and GPS leveling. Before that, let me introduce all the members of the group. First, me, Siti Hidayah binti Nazri. My metro number is 01DGU20F1008. Next, Nurul Syafiqah binti Mat Farizan. 01DGU20F1011. Next, Nur Nabiha Husna binti Muhammad Wazir. 01DGU20F1013. Next, Ahmad Azhan Fikri bin Azmi. 01DGU20F1017. And then lastly, Ammar Hafizuddin bin Abdul Razak. 01DGU20F1022. Next, this is the content in the presentation, which is introduction, objective, tools, procedure data and result, and then lastly, conclusion. First, we go to the introduction. GNSS has been rapidly adapted to surveying as it can provide position, latitude, longitude, and altitude directly without the need to measure angle and distance between intermediate points. Survey control can now be established almost anywhere and only needs to have a clear view of the sky so that signal from GNSS satellites can be clearly received. For example, in our group practical work, which is survey work of collecting details on the surface of the Earth, covering the area around the Ungku Omar Polytechnic for the production of a topographical plan.
Alright, this is objective of the GNSS practical. First is to obtain position reading a high accuracy. Second, give exposure to student about the procedure for using GNSS equipment and data processing method. Third is improve student skill in operating GNSS equipment to perform on surveying work. And lastly, is increase student skill in production plan using data from GNSS equipment. Next is equipment use in this practical. First is controller. To control function of controller is to control commonly used function for the connected GNSS receiver, such as switching Bluetooth connection between the configured base and rover receiver, starting or ending the survey, or powering down the receiver. Second is rover receiver. Function is to use for the detailing, to put at any place to create any detail at some point. That is base receiver, to receive the connection from satellite and rover, to lock the base stand is to lock the base receiver and centering the tripod to make sure base in a good connection. Next equipment is tripod to put the base receiver in static condition. Next is bipod is used to lead to support the correct position of the GNSS pole to perform calibration, to stand or lock the rover and easy move to any place. And lastly is antenna used to receive the connection from the rover and satellite to base receiver, and also to know the location of the receiver. Next part, I pass to Ahmad Hafizuddin.
Hi, my name is Ammar Hafizuddin bin Abdul Razak. I will continue our presentation to procedure of GNSS. Sebenarnya dalam prosedur ni terdapat 3 kaedah, iaitu prosedur kerja, prosedur data transfer dan juga membuat peta topografi. Okay, jadi kita akan pergi ke satu persatu prosedur tersebut. Okay, kita akan pergi ke prosedur yang pertama, iaitu prosedur kerja. Okey, yang pertama pastikan kita mengambil alat GNSS yang betul, iaitu rover, base, bipod dan juga tripod. Kemudian semasa pemasangan base di CRM, pastikan base tersebut berada betul-betul di atas CRM. Kemudian kita mula setting control. Okay, start to set up the GNSS tool by pressing the power on off button. When the tool is on, its light will blink. Open the Surf as 4.0 application on the controller and create new project or file. Add project manager. Back to the device and open communication. Click on the device serial number that has been stated on both controller and its base and connect it. When the base is successfully connected, the base icon will turn to blue color. Then set up the rover by attaching it to the bipod properly and turn on its button. Kemudian bila kita dah selesai setting alat, bawa rover pergi ke CRM yang lagi satu. Kemudian bila kita dah calibrationkan CRM yang satu dan juga dua, kita pergi ke setiap stesen untuk mengambil koordinat stesen keempat-empat stesen tersebut. Okay, moving on to second procedure, data transfer. Data transfer ni maksud kita transfer data yang kita collect tadi bawa masuk ke dalam laptop untuk kita buat peta topo. Okay, untuk data transfer yang pertama, open the Surf as 4.0 application and open the project manager. Export the data before transferring into the laptop. Open the survey and choose CAD. Click the data and choose DSF export to export file. DSF tu maksud jenis file yang kita save tu. Kemudian type file name and click go to internal storage root directory, click export. Next, go to home and click on file manager. Then click on internal share storage. After that, choose file that we want to transfer. Open the laptop and turn its Bluetooth to send the file using Bluetooth. Choose the Bluetooth device that we want to use and wait until the loading process is done. Kemudian bila kita dah selesai transfer data, kita akan buat peta topografi. Okay, firstly, open the detail file data that has been transferred into AutoCAD. Go to command and type line to start sketch the point of road, river and building. Click on any point and connect the point that has same code. To hash the building, select the object and click on each line of the building that we want to be hatched. Then click on swatch that has the plan, choose suitable color for the building and click OK. Color kita boleh pilih mengikut creativity masing-masing. After that, click on the icon as shown below to insert the frame. Choose A3 size and click OK. That's all for That's all for procedure of GNSS.
Okay, saya akan teruskan untuk result dan analisis. The detailed data taken when doing detailing work, survey work using GNSS tools and the green line as code line from GNSS. Okay, kalau kita tengok kat sini, ini data yang kami transfer daripada AutoCAD. Line-line hijau tu merupakan data daripada GNSS. Kalau tengok gambar kat bawah tu ada titik-titik hijau. Itu adalah data GNSS yang kami ambil. Okay, seterusnya ialah this are the details that have been drawn and entered into the plan. Okey, ini plan yang telah kami siap mengikut skala dan juga detail yang telah ditetapkan. Okey, seterusnya saya akan serahkan kepada pembentang yang seterusnya.
As a conclusion, we can conclude the process of using the Global Navigation Satellite System (GNSS) is very useful to us because we can obtain data faster than doing the work carried out. This tool makes us more proficient in using various tools, especially in industrial training, which will make that most companies are more inclined to use GNSS tools when compared to total station tools. In practice, we use the Global Navigation Satellite System (GNSS) tool to obtain coordinates to complete the task of collecting details for the production of a topographic plan around the Umku Polytechnic area. With good weather, we can use the South GNSS tool smoothly. In addition to getting coordinates easily, this tool can also create more accurate coordinate value, such as latitude and longitude. It can also save time because the process of obtaining the value of the position of a place by using this tool does not require any calculation process because the tool will continue to display the coordinate value for the position of the detailed points because the database established in CRM already has the coordinate value. So we hope that in the future, the Polytechnic will have more GNSS tools because these tools will make it easier for students to do practice work. And the use of these tools will also be more productive. Furthermore, if students are proficient and have skills in operating this GNSS equipment, the opportunity to work with private companies is very high. This is because most companies out there nowadays no longer use total station tools for their survey work. So the ability to use GNSS tools will be an important asset for geomatics students. That's all for us. Thank you.